Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how apps like WhatsApp or Slack update messages instantly? Today we are pulling back the curtain. We are building our own real-time chat application from scratch using Angular and Firebase. The best part, when one user sends a message, it instantly pops up on every other user's screen without any hitting refresh. It's like magic, but it's just good code, just jump in. Step 1. Project setup, Angular installation. Open your terminal. Just type node version. It's the engine that runs over Angular tools. We need version 16 or higher. If you don't have it, pause here and download it from nodejs.org. I'll put the link in the description. Install Angular CLR globally. Just type npm install -j at the rate of Angular CLI. Hit enter. This npm install command is fetching the Angular command line interface from the internet and installing it on our machine. Think of it as getting a powerful new set of tools for our workshop. The -g flag means it's installed globally, so we can use the ng command anywhere. Now, after that, create new Angular project. Just type ng new, the name of the project, uh, real time chat. Hit enter. Ng tool to create a brand new project called real time chat. Now select SES. Use SCSS for more powerful styling. Do you want to enable server side rendering? No. Do you want to create zoneless? No. Enter. Now our project has been created successfully. Means any changes we make will automatically refresh here. This is our development playground. Now step 2, Firebase project configuration. Just open Firebase. Now click on get started by setting up project. Just enter your project name, chat app. Disable Google Analytics for simplicity. If you want to add, you can. Wait for project creation. Project created. Now we need to set up two key services. The database called Firebase and authentication to manage our users. Click Firestore database. Click on build and just click on the Firestore database. And okay, now create a database. Selection edition, standard edition, next. And database ID location, it will default, it would be default. Click on next. We are starting in test mode so we can build quickly, but remember We will need to secure it before we go live. Now click on Authentication. Get started. Get started, and after that, click on the email and password and enable it and click on Save. This enables the classic email and password sign perfect for our app. Now for the secret sauce that connects our Angular app to Firebase, the configuration keys. Open project setting and now click on the web and type the name of the app. This would be a chat app and click on the register app. Just continue to the console and click on the config and just copy this configuration and open your Angular project and just set up your environment ngj environment. Hit enter. That configuration file here. With this configuration and paste in environment.development. These keys are like the address and a password for your Firebase project, so your Angular app knows where to send the data. Step 3, setting up Angular Fire. Open your terminal and type ng add at the rate of Angular Fire. Hit enter. This is magic command. Instead of manually starting up the Angular CLI will ask us what we need and set it up automatically. What feature would you like to set? We are selecting authentication and Firestore, the two pillars of our app. Press space to select and hit enter to proceed. Already create project. Just select chat app. Select chat app. And just like that, Angular Fire is configured. This library is the official bridge between Angular and Firebase, and it makes everything much simpler. Step 4, creating the chat service. NGS and services chat service. Hit enter. This chat service is the brain of our operation. Let's break it down. The at the rate of injectable decorator makes this class a service we can use anywhere in our app. We are importing functions from Angular Fire like add doc, collection, collection data, query to read it. The register and login methods are simple wrapper around Firebase auth. This is login and register method. So they return promises which are like IOUS for future data. Send message. Send message takes a message string and user info takes a message string and user info, then packages it up and sends it to the messages collection in Firebase. Think of a collection as a table in a database. Now get messages. This one is the cool part. It sets up a real-time listener. The collection data function returns an observable when new data comes in. This observable automatically notifies everyone who's subscribed. This is the key to real-time updates. Step 5, building authentication component. First type ngc and the name of the folder components and name of the components would be authentication. Auth, hit enter. This component gives us a simple toggleable login and register form. The magic is in ng model. That's two-way data binding. When the user types our email and password, properties update automatically and vice versa. The ng submit handler calls our services method, and if there's an error like a wrong password, we catch it and show it to the user. Submit on submit, and yeah, we're showing the error. Step 6, creating the chat interface. Now let's create the chat application, chat component. Hit enter. We then use the new Angular control flow at the rate of if with the sync pipe. This is best practice. It automatically subscribes and unsubscribe for us. When a user login auth state emits user object, the at the rate of if condition becomes true, and we show the chat app. We are talking about this part. When they log out, it becomes false, and we show the app auth. Step 9, testing real-time features. Open two browser windows side by side or use your phone and laptop. Open two browser windows side by side or use your phone or laptop. The moment of truth, let's test our real-time functionality. I'll open two browser windows and log in different users. And now this is window two. Register as user one. The rate of test.com and login window two. Register as user two and the rate of test.com. Now send hello from user one. Message sent from user one and Windows 2 message instantly appears. Look at that. It's it just popped up in users 2 windows. Instantly no refresh needed. Window 2 reply hi. Open window 1. Message instantly appears here. And user 1 gets the reply immediately. This is real-time communication working perfectly. Let's try refreshing the browser and our messages are still there. Firebase Firestore is persisting our data, and we are still logged in thanks to Firebase auth maintaining our session. And there you have it. We just built a production ready real time chat application with user authentication, a beautiful UI and instant messaging all from scratch. You now understand how to connect Angular with Firebase, handle real-time data with observables and structure a complete web application. Source code. The complete source code is waiting for you in the GitHub repository, linked in the description. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Do me a hug, favor, and hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Questions, ideas, I read every single comment. So let me know what you thought or what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching. I'll see in the next one. Happy coding.